In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than 3 variants on Shopify. We know how crucial it is for your online store to offer a variety of options to your customers, whether it's different sizes, colors, or other attributes. So let's jump right into it. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Shopify website. This is your starting point. Now, looking at the top right corner, you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email address associated with your Shopify account to avoid any login issues. Then proceed by entering your password. Now, this is crucial. Ensure your password is correct to successfully log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you're ready to dive into the heart of today's tutorial. Directly from your Shopify admin dashboard, look for the products section. This is typically found on the left side of your dashboard. You'll then see an option saying Add Product. Click on that. This is how you begin the process of adding new products to your store. With the Add Product page open, it's time to bring those variants into the mix. Now, Shopify's standard variant system allows for up to 3 options per product, like size, color, and material. To go beyond this, you'll notice an option to add options like size or color. Click on it. This is where you can get creative and specify the different options available for your product. Upon clicking this option, a field will appear where you can type in your variant's name. For example, if you're selling shirts, this could be size. After typing in the variant name, hit the enter key or click on the field again to add another variant like color. Remember, this method allows you to add detailed and specific variations to each product, enhancing your customers' shopping experience by providing them with a variety of selections. After you've entered all your desired options, make sure to click on Done to save your changes. This action solidifies your variant settings, ensuring your product page reflects all the options you've meticulously entered. But let's pause here and consider a few points. When adding variants, think about the customer experience. You want to make sure that the options you're adding are clear and helpful for the customers. For instance, if you're selling clothing, consider including a size guide for each size variant you add, or if you're selling tech gadgets, consider adding a color chart for color variants. This attention to detail can significantly enhance your customers' shopping experience. Another tip is to keep your inventory organized. As you add more variants, tracking your stock levels becomes even more crucial. Shopify does offer inventory management tools, so make sure to utilize them to keep a tight ship. Finally, while adding variants is crucial, don't forget the importance of quality product descriptions and high-resolution images for each variant. This not only aids in convincing customers to make a purchase, but also helps in reducing confusion regarding what they are buying. In conclusion, offering your customers a variety of product options not only increases the appeal of your store, but also potentially boosts your sales. Remember, the key to successfully adding more than 3 variants on Shopify lies in thorough planning and meticulous detailing of each product variant. Keep your product pages simple yet informative, ensuring customers have all the information they need to make an informed purchase decision. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add more than 3 variants to your Shopify products. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to help you maximize your Shopify store's potential. Happy selling!